Okay, we have an issue on this door. It's very hard to open. It's very hard to slide. And the reason why is because those railings. So it's like the railings are bad. They lost the ball bearings, so I'm gonna have to replace that. And in order to replace that, I need to remove the door. And in order to remove the door, I need to remove that guide bottom. So we're going to remove that. There should be 2 screws right there. I only have 1, so I'm gonna remove that one. And just to be able to remove the door. So I'm gonna remove that screw with a Phillips screwdriver, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slide it out of there. As easy as that. I'm gonna put that to the side, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to remove this door. That door. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of tilt it backwards, tilt it into the top, and then lift it and move it out of the roller housing from here. So I have to push it up and then push it up, and then out. So I'm gonna do that right now. So there it is. Now, here, to remove the roller, we need to use a Phillips screwdriver as well. So the same screwdriver that I have here, I'm gonna use it to remove the roller. The other way. Here. In this particular door we have 4 holes, so make sure that you put the roller back in the same hole. And I don't think that I have new screws with the roller, so I'm gonna have to reuse this screw. I'm gonna kind of lay this back there against the wall. And here is the roller. This is kind of bad already. So let's get to it. What I'm gonna do here, here's my roller. I am going to open it. Just remember, the same way that the roller was when you remove it, before you remove it, that's the same way that it has to be put back. This hole, and it goes like this. This is like this nut right here is like a spacer. And then I'm going to use the same screw. If you don't want to use the same screw, then you can buy new ones. I got this roller from Menards. It was actually cheapest, lowest price. Well, that's probably why you save big money at that place. So I got them from there, $1.29 each, and you can, depending on the size, for this tab, for this door is 3/4 of an inch for but they are also available on 7/8, and they are also available on a round version. These are flat. These are flat, and you can measure them with a scale, with a caliper, or just remove it, take it to the store, do a comparison, one next to the other. So let's install the second one. Right here, remember, the nut is gonna be like a spacer, and that wasn't good. So let's get to it. It's probably easier you take the door out of the tap. There. Now I'm gonna get back in there and reset the door. What I'm gonna do here is I'm going to kind of tilt it a little bit, lift it, and then pull it towards me. Okay, I have to make sure that it's rolling freely. There it is. Used to be rolling freely, so now I'm going to reinstall the bottom guide. You can, if you wish, you can do some cleaning before you put everything back. It's pretty easy. So now I'm gonna put back the screw. I have only one screw, I need to get another one. And there it is. So better. Okay, that's it.